How to fix event tabs not showing on your Facebook application. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so you will be easily guided. Now this is extremely simple. This means that your Facebook is corrupted its files. So in order to fix this, you can just go ahead and make sure that your Facebook is up to date. You want to head over to the Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you are using, and from there you want to click on Update. Right after that, let's now go ahead and open up our system settings. Inside, click on General, navigate through iPhone storage, and from here you can just look for Facebook. Now inside Facebook, you can just click on the Offload app, and right after that, another button will appear saying Reinstall application. Now this will go ahead and force the Facebook application to update its files from the App Store, which will get rid of the corrupted files on your device. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.